Hi guys, today we're going to do as one of Mike's little mixed things. This is a 3D printed bottled, God's truth, what is this called? An adapter so we can drain water into the thing, into this bucky. What he suggested is putting this upside down, let it dry, and filling this with some hydrogen pellets. Which is, use the finger, I chopped my finger properly yesterday. Oh, come on, get out. Yeah, getting there. A couple more handfuls of these pellets. Mike reckons this is the easiest way to grow seedlings. So we'll try this out. That doesn't need to be there, that's a bit of rubbish. Don't know where that came from. We've rotten lots of things. Right, and then he suggests that we spray it with a mist it rather, to get the moisture up. Obviously that's quite important. And then we're going to put some seeds in. And that looks quite good so far. Let's have a look and see what we can do with this. Mike from Keep On Growing. And that is Great Lakes seeds, lettuce seeds. Moisten them down again. And then he says we've got to cover it. So I've got, as he did on his site, on his video, tear it down the middle, get to the middle somehow. And cover it up. And you can leave it there and let it do its thing. Let's see what it does. And he reckons after a week we could probably have some seedlings. So let's see how well this works. Thanks for watching guys, much appreciated. Please like and subscribe so we can carry on making these things and make my wife happy. Or prove her wrong rather. She keeps telling me I'm wasting my time. Well, let's have a look and see if I'm wasting my time. I don't think so.